Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC giving you a closer look at the clamp-on grips from ProTaper. Alright, so new from ProTaper, we've got their clamp-on grips. You could also call this a lock-on grip. Now at Rocky Mountain, we have other lock-on grips that you can choose from, but a big feature that is new with these that really makes them stand out from the rest is what they call their windowed core technology, and we'll talk about that more here in just a bit. But for those of you out there that are not too familiar with a lock-on grip, I'll explain how these work and why they're so popular. I switched these a couple years ago. I've never looked back, and the big standout feature that I've enjoyed so much about these is how quickly and easily you can install them and remove them. So if you're like me, you're tired of using grip glue, you don't like to clean it up if you take your grips off, you don't want to use safety wire to help keep the grip in place, this would be your solution. So how they work is really simple. You're gonna have a plastic sleeve on the inside, and then you're gonna have the rubber grip that is actually molded to it. And I'm gonna show you just how easily you can install these. So take your handlebar, clean off any grip glue if you do have any, and all you're gonna do is literally slide it on. You're gonna notice on the inside of the clutch side here, you have this aluminum clamp, so you can rotate the grip, get it where you want it. And then you're just gonna take this pinch bolt, it's just a 3mm Allen, tighten that down, get it nice and snug, and that's gonna hold the grip in place. Like I said, I've been using this for years. I've never had one slip on me. As long as you get that pinch bolt tight, you're gonna be good to go. So very easy to install, and then to remove it, same thing. Just loosen that bolt, and the grip's just gonna slide right off. Now with the throttle side, okay, you can see the grip, same thing. It's molded to the plastic sleeve, but what's unique is that this replaces your throttle tube. So you're gonna take your stock throttle tube off, install this the same way you would your stock, but what's unique too is that they're gonna have in the packaging 7 different cams. So these are machine specific. In other words, you need to enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike when you're picking yours up. And that's just gonna ensure that they do have the correct cam for the bike that you are riding. So make sure to enter that info just to make sure that they do have the cam for your bike. Now with the grip, you're gonna notice on the table, okay, they have different patterns that you can choose from. You've got the pillow top, which I have on my hand. So the pillow top has probably been the most popular grip that ProTaper's had for years. You've also got a half waffle, and they are going to have a full diamond coming out soon as well. Now, if we talk about the big feature here, okay, when they designed these grips, a couple things that ProTaper really wanted to achieve. First was have a thin grip. Now, I have ridden with these. I put these on my bike as soon as they came out. Definitely one of the thinner grips that I've rode with, so props to ProTaper for doing that with a lock-on grip. So if you do have smaller hands or you struggle with arm pump maybe, this would be a solid option. The other is with the clutch side. This is that windowed core technology that I talked about earlier. So what you will see is if you look inside this grip, they actually have cutouts that go all the way along the entire length of the grip. And there's 2 of them, and they're on opposite sides of each other. And the reason that they put those windowed cores there, well, a couple. So first was to help with vibration, give a little bit more comfort for the rider's hands. So when you grip it, okay, one cutout is gonna go right where you build up the calluses on your palm. The other is gonna go right where your fingertips are. So that's gonna help with vibration, again, a little bit more comfort. And the other is that ProTaper is saying that by having those cutouts, it's gonna help the grip feel more like a traditional standard grip, which is what I know a lot of riders want when they're picking up a set of lock-on grips. So it's really cool that ProTaper is doing that. They're the only ones who do have that windowed core technology. So if you are interested in a lock-on grip and you wanna have as much, comfort as possible, well, this would be a really good option. Now, one thing I want to point out, as you can see right now, I am pressing in on that windowed core, so you can see my fingers going in. If I rotate the grip just a little bit, now I'm on the plastic sleeve, so that's where that windowed core ends. Now, do not fret. This is a concern that I had initially when I got these grips, as I thought, how's that going to feel when you have it on the bike? And honestly, once you install these, you can actually see that windowed core, once it goes on the handlebar, you can't really press in on anymore. So it's there, okay, it's a very subtle difference, but it's there and it's doing its job. Now it's very important though that when you're installing these, okay, you wanna look at where those windowed cores are, because like I said, when you have it installed, it's almost hard to tell where those are at. So you just wanna make sure that you have the grip rotated in that correct position so that you're getting one core where your palm is, again, where your calluses are built up, and then also where your fingertips are. So just pay attention that when you are installing these, but other than that, you got nothing to worry about. Awesome grips from ProTaper. Last little thing I do want to point out is they use a dual compound. So you're gonna have the soft, tacky rubber in the middle where your hand is, but on the donut as well as the end of the grip, it's a harder compound, so that's gonna help with durability. I also really like with lock-on grips is that since you have that plastic sleeve underneath, it's hard on the very outside, so they're not gonna rip or tear nearly as easily as just a traditional grip would. And there they are. Those are the clamp-on grips coming from ProTaper. Again, very easy to install, but new from ProTaper. You're getting that core, that windowed core technology. If you guys do have any thoughts, comments, or questions, make sure to write those below. We'll get back to you. And to pick up your set, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember guys, orders over $75 ship free. If you like this product spotlight and you want to see more like it, well, you got to make sure and just click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.